Welcome, all of you, right, for another interesting episode. And ladies and gents, today I have one very important product. Imagine a product जहाँ पे आपको इतनी सारी चीजें मिलती है, comfort, the looks, the complete range. Now, when I talk about range, guess what? I'm talking about an EV today. 15.6 inches of a grand view display, 2700 millimeters of a wheelbase, and aero lounge seats. Any ideology? Yes, I'm going to talk about one fascinating product. Let me show you, and then we'll have a look into that. Ladies and gents, let me present you the MG Windsor. Now, this car looks really fascinating. एक अलग ही फील फैक्टर ये गाड़ी को मिला हुआ है. नाउ काफी सारी चीजें हैं, इसके कंप्लीट डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन के लिए आज हम लोग बात करते हैं. नाउ दिस व्हीकल इज एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट. आप देख सकते हो पूरी डिजाइन फिलॉसफी इसकी अलग है. There are so many elements which has been really crisply designed over here. This section, अगर मैं बात करूँ तो this is your LED projector headlamps, and साथ में आपको यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बल्ब दिखाई देगा. This is once again an LED cornering lamp. Isn't that a wow factor? Another wow factor, you have your turn indicators over here, right? And you have a whole strip. यहाँ पे पूरी strip आपको आती है with the LED DRLs, right? सबसे अच्छी बात, अगर नाइट सेक्शन के नाइट व्यू के बारे में अगर आप बात करो तो दिस इज शाइनिंग. दिस इज एन illuminated logo from MG. Another beautiful aspect, you have your front cameras over here. So lots of things. Now ये गाड़ी की अगर मैं बात करूं, trust me ladies and gents, you have this nice little grid with the chrome garnishes. Looks absolutely amazing. लेकिन the beauty about this car, what I really loved it, is the interiors. ये गाड़ी में अगर मैं चार्जिंग सिचुएशंस की अगर मैं खास करके बात करूं, सिंस दिस इज एन ईवी, वन थिंग, द चार्जिंग सॉकेट हैज बीन मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर, राइट? इसको आप प्रेस कीजिए, एंड जब भी आप प्रेस करोगे आपके पास दो ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. एसी चार्जर्स, राइट? यू हैव द सॉकेट ओवर हियर, एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपको फास्ट चार्जिंग ऑप्शन चाहिए, यू हैव द डीसी चार्जर्स अवेलेबल ऑल्सो. Ladies and gents, the best part about this is interiors. As you can see over here, 18 inches of your alloy wheels, right? That's something which is really a beauty. Now, आगे की साइड पे अगर मैं बात करूं, you have a 6-way power adjustable seats. Now, this is really phenomenal, right? काफी सारी चीजें आप अपनी तरीके से इसको एडजस्ट कर सकते हो. सबसे अच्छी बात, one of my favorite, the music system, right? So you have the Infinity sound system speakers over here, right? जो आप अपनी तरीके से you can just enjoy the music and host of things. This is the most important factor, guys. You have a 15.6 inches of your complete display. Can you believe this? और ये अगर MID की बात करूँ तो MID is something like this. Now there are so many aspect of it. Now काफी सारे गाड़ी के controls अगर मैं बात करूँ तो यहाँ पे आपको मिल जाते हैं. Now even if I look into the interior sections, there are very less controls on the steering wheel. लेकिन आप गाड़ी को कंट्रोल कहाँ से करोगे? अगर ORVM को कनेक्ट करना है, क्या क्या चीज करनी है, everything is over here. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a description for the whole thing. Now this interior looks really upbeat. Have a look. Absolutely amazing. As I said, value for money proposition. Now, guys, the best feature, as I said, 15.6 inches of a display. जैसे आप देख रहे हो, this is huge and massive. Now, गाड़ी के controls आपको ये panel पे नीचे दिए हुए हैं, one by one. There are a host of things. As I showcased you on the steering wheel, there are very less amount of buttons which is given here. यहाँ पे भी कोई buttons दिया नहीं है. So where will you control it? Let me explain this to you. So for the first thing, अगर आपको AC changes करना है, so you need to press that key down over here. Now as you can see, AC on the left hand side अगर आप देखोगे, तो you have the fan speed which you can increase, decrease. On the right hand side, same bar अगर आप press करोगे, तो you can increase the temperature or decrease the temperature also. Now front ventilated seat की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो वो भी ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है. So you have that tap button over there, उसको आप ऑफ कर सकते हो, ऑन कर सकते हो, and there are 3 stages. As you can see, check over here, there are 3 different stages which you can use your front ventilated seats also. Another thing, the best part about it, अगर आपको ORVM set करना है तो आप कहाँ पे जाओगे? There you have. Now first of all, you need to select the ORVM, whether the left or the right. Now let's say for an example, I select the left button. उसके बाद यहाँ पे जो joystick है वो आप उसको use कर सकते हो. There you have. Isn't this something creating a wow factor with all of us? Yes. अगर आपको ये गाड़ी में sunroof open करना है, sunroof in the sense it's a fixed glass, right? So मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कहाँ पे जाके आप controls use कर सकते हो. You just glide it down and there you have. You just increase this and you have the sunroof opening up, right? Absolutely phenomenal view जो आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाता है. And सबसे अच्छी बात अगर मैं बात करूँ तो it goes up to the rear end to give you a really nice little feel factor. Other thing, इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर्स के बारे में अगर मैं बात करूँ तो एज यू कैन सी सो मेनी बटन्स आर देयर, सो वी गो टू, मैं आपको 360 व्यू दिखाता हूँ। पहली चीज, यू नो दिस इज अ ह्यूज स्क्रीन, सो व्हेन यू सी दिस ऑन टू 15.6 इंचेस, कैन यू बिलीव दिस, यू नो there's so much of things now। सबसे अच्छी बात यहाँ पे 2 डायमेंशनल 3 डायमेंशनल आप अपनी तरीके से कैमरा को एडजस्ट कर सकते हो। यू कैन हैव अ कंप्लीट व्यू फॉर द कार। नाउ दिस लुक्स रियली फैसिनेटिंग, राइट? नाउ लेट मी वंस अगेन कम बैक टू द होम स्क्रीन। एज आई सेड, दिस इज योर होम स्क्रीन। नाउ और भी अगर मैं फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल हेड बीम्स के बारे में, अगर हाई बीम्स के बारे में अगर मैं जानना चाहूंगा वहां पर, सो यू जस्ट क्लिक ओवर देयर। नाउ सी दिस, सो हेडलैम्प सेटिंग्स, ऑटो, लो बीम पोजिशनिंग, राइट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर वंस अगेन एप्लीकेबल। सो आप अपनी तरीके से उसको सेट कर सकते हो। अनदर ब्यूटीफुल एस्पेक्ट, ये गाड़ी में मोड्स दिए हुए हैं। So when I talk about the modes, there are 4 different drive mode: Eco Plus, Eco, Normal, Sports, and there's the regeneration levels of battery also: light, normal, and heavy. Isn't this amazing? आपको यहाँ पे कोई भी buttons दिया नहीं गया हुआ है, and you have complete control of your vehicle onto this entire screen. Now, let me come towards this two little joysticks which has been given. So your drive pattern, आप जैसे यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, you have the reverse, neutral, and drive, and this happens to your MID. Now, MID section maybe there are multiple things, as you can see. Check over here, right? You have 86% of the battery with a range. As I say, range is about 331, which is the ARAI certified range. लेकिन range आपके ऊपर dependent है. And another joystick which has been given over here, right? So you have your auto functions, your wiper settings, and your other lever options also. You know, the beauty is over here. This is your aero lounge seats, absolutely comfortable. Uh, once we दो लोग भी अगर हम लोग, आप 3 लोग हो, 2 लोग हो, as we are 2 of us, there is a huge amount of space. Believe me guys, you need to be in this space. Another aspect, अगर आप legroom देखो, there's so much of a legroom. I can just stretch my legs over here, right, and just be at ease. Another important factor, let's say you want to recline the seats, 135 degrees I can recline. Oh my goodness, this is just a bed. This is absolutely a bed. You have your armrest down over here. Wow. So that's what I said. The beauty of this product is always in the rear section. मेरी एक छोटी सी रिक्वेस्ट रहेगी, please visit the MG dealership, have a seat over here, and give us some messages inside our comment boxes. To add to your comfort, यहाँ पे एक AC vent भी दिया हुआ है, right? So that's gonna be more handy. As you can see down over here, there's a small little glow box over here. So छोटी छोटी चीजें आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. Now, the best part once again is the rear section of this vehicle, completely aerodynamically designed. You know what? Something very nice. MG ने एक चीज यहाँ पे की है. This is the antenna, right? There is no shark fin antenna, nothing. This is completely a new technology. Another beauty. Let me show you something. So you have this complete connected tail lamp. Looks really nice, correct? साथ साथ में अगर आपको यहाँ पे एक बात बोलूँ तो you have a nice little badging of Windsor. Looks awesome, right? Since it's an EV, उसका एक logo दिया हुआ है, and you have your sensors also. Another beauty, imagine you getting 604 liters of a boot space. Let me show you. Wow, this is absolutely huge, right? काफी सारी चीज आप यहाँ पे रख सकते हो. Now ये चार्जर का एक पैनल रखा हुआ है. This is also just for your information. You have it. This is absolutely amazing. Another beauty, what I could showcase it over here. ये seats की अगर मैं यहाँ पे बात करूँ, you have a 60-40 seat option also. अगर आप उसको completely recline कर सकते हो, you have a full flat bed. Isn't that a wow factor? All right, ladies and gents, so this completely brings me an end of this video, right? Complete description of MG Windsor. Now, एक चीज़ बहुत important बताना चाहूँगा यहाँ पर, जब चार्जिंग स्टेशंस की बात आती है तो MG ने एक एप्लीकेशन इंस्टॉल किया हुआ है. They have given across eHub, जहाँ पे आप हर एक चार्जिंग पॉइंट को देख सकते हो कहाँ पे अवेलेबिलिटी है, right? Please let us know your reviews with regard to this product. Hope to see you once again back in the next video. Thank you so much.